Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change app recommendation settings in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to go over into your search option over here and going to search for settings. Click on that. After that you just need to go for app section over here and then you just need to go for advanced app settings. Click on that. And then you'll get an option called choose where to get apps. So if you click on this, you will get a bunch of options over here. One is anywhere, but let me know if there is comparable app in the Microsoft Store. So there is 3 options over here. So if you want to download any app you want, then you just need to select anywhere over here and then just close it. And for a better start, you can restart your computer. And that can help and that will fix or change app recommendation settings in Windows 11 or 10. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.